Forget everything you know about practical hot hatches. Toyota's motorsport division just dropped the absolute nuclear option. Fresh from its global premiere, this is the magnificent Toyota GRMN Corolla, slated to hit streets as a highly limited 2026 or 2027 model year weapon. Engineered under the direct command of Akio Toyoda, aka Marizo, with a strict directive that it must handle the Nürburgring at full throttle, this is a stripped-out, track-focused homologation special for the road. Welcome back to DRX Auto Mobi. Today, we're breaking down the most expensive, most aggressive production Corolla in history. Pop the carbon fiber hood, and you'll find the iconic 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, but heavily evolved using racing data from Toyota's hydrogen-powered Super Taikyu endurance cars. While horsepower stays capped at a fierce 300, torque has been cranked up to a brutal 415 Newton meters, or 302 pound-feet, massively enhancing grunt right in the crucial 3,600 to 4,800 mid-speed rev range for lunging out of corners. It's strictly paired with a close ratio 6-speed manual gearbox and an optimized GR4 AWD control system, backed by a track-ready intercooler spray system to delete heat soak. To earn the legendary Gazoo Racing tuned by the Meister of Nürburgring emblem, the car underwent a brutal diet and aero overhaul. It sheds up to 30 kilograms compared to the base vehicle, thanks to a carbon fiber engine hood, carbon fiber front fenders, and completely deleted rear seats. Up front, functional fender ducts vent high-pressure air out of the wheel wells, while the massive carbon rear wing features a 5-step manual adjustment mechanism. It sits on forged matte bronze wheels wrapped in bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires that are 10 mm wider than standard. The GRMN Corolla is set to launch in extremely limited numbers across Japan, North America, and Australia, with sales rolling out through 2027. Given the extensive carbon upgrades and motorsport-derived chassis tech, expect pricing to safely clear the $80,000 threshold, turning this into an instant legendary collector's item. Is this stripped-out track monster the ultimate hot hatch ever built? Let us know your thoughts below. Smash that like button, subscribe to DRX Auto Mobi, and we'll see you in the next one.